In today's video, I'll show you how to turn a PDF into a presentation using Beautiful.ai. First, search Beautiful.ai in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see Create Presentation at the top. Move your cursor there and click Generate with AI. Next, enter or paste your prompt into the text box. This prompt tells the AI what kind of presentation you want to create. To get better and more accurate results, you can add additional context so the AI has a clear reference. This is where the Turn PDF into a Presentation feature comes in. Click Add Context, then choose from Upload a Document, Add a Website, or Add Text. Let me show you how it works. I'll click Upload a Document, then click the Upload box and select a PDF file from my device. After that, click Generate Presentation and wait for it to finish processing. Once it's done, you'll be taken to the editing page where you can review the slides, recheck the content, and make any changes you want. You can freely edit text, rearrange slides, or refine the layout to match your needs. To customize the design, click Theme. From here, you can edit the colors, typography, decorations, and footer, allowing you to match your branding or preferred style. When you're done making changes, click Update Presentation and wait for the theme to apply. Once you're satisfied with the final look, click Presentation, then click Export Presentation. Click Export Presentation again, choose how you want to export your file, then click Export. Your presentation will start exporting automatically. And that's it! That's how you turn a PDF into a presentation using Beautiful.ai.